Hello, my name is B. Welcome to my safe space. Here I'll be sharing some of my original recipes, that of my mom's, my sister, my friends, and some authentic recipes that I love. I hope you enjoy it here and get to try some of my recipes. Today I'll be making banana pancakes. So first we're going to blend the banana, eggs, and milk until we have a very smooth mix like this. Then we're going to gradually add in all our dry ingredients and mix it thoroughly. Then on a very extremely low heat, we are going to put our non-stick pan, no oil. That way we get a very nice consistent browning all around. And we're going to scoop some of our butter into the pan. I'm using a very large leaden. If you don't have a leaden, you can use a measuring cup or a small mug or whatever, and you scoop it in. Once you see that the bubble forms on top and they begin to burst, it's time to flip your pancake to the other side for it to cook. You repeat this step until you've exhausted your entire batter that you have. One tip you should be aware of is to make sure that the heat is extremely low. And after the first batch, you want to remove the pan from heat for a few seconds before you put it back, and then you scoop in your next batch. Repeat this step until you exhaust your entire batter. I do this so that the pan is not too hot and the batter and the pancake does not get burnt. You can enjoy your pancake by itself with syrup, jam, Nutella, peanut butter, fruit compote, egg, bacon, sausage, whatever you like. You can just go for it and enjoy it. And I hope that you get to try this recipe. If you do, don't forget to leave me a like, a comment, and follow us on Bawo's Kitchen Journal and check out our website with lovebawo.com. Thank you with all my love. B. Bye.